Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about a template design pattern. So template design pattern is a behavioral design pattern where where let's say we have let's say we have an algorithm, fine, and it is very complex algorithm. Now we as a user wanted to make changes to particular specific steps of an algorithm, fine, without changing the structure. How we can do this? We can do this with the help of template design pattern. uh, we don't want to change the structure of algorithm, but we wanted to some of the steps to be implemented or make changes. Fine. So let's do this step by design pattern. Let's quickly implement it. Inside this template, we have another class which is let's say we have state, or we can have algo. We can just have a game. Let's say we have one game class. Okay. Inside this game, we can have functions such as play. Okay, and we can have another class. We can have another in 1 second. Yes, we can have another uh, function which can be play and stop. Let's say we have stop. Okay, and we also have another function which is virtual uh, start, inside which we are going to call play and stop. Okay, or we can do one thing. We can provide implementation. Or let it be. Just we don't want this. Okay. We can have another class which will be our class. Basically, I'm going to make implementation or make changes to this algorithm, a game algorithm. So we can have just a class which will be, let's say we have a card, public game. I'm going to implement my game algorithm. Okay. So as soon as we have implemented game algorithm, we can provide implementation for our play and stop functions. So we can write it here, play. We can have stop, stopping. Okay, so we can have our main class, which will be main.cpp. Now I'm going to provide implementation, or I can just make changes to particular step of the algorithm, right? So we can have main, and we need to include game. We need to include car. So we have a car, and we can call car uh, play. Fine. So what we have done in the game class, see, in the game class we have a different function. There's a complex, maybe there will be complex functions, and they have their own functionality implementation. What I have done, I have implemented that algorithm, and I have provided my implementation, that function. Fine, fine. And now I have made changes to that particular steps of the algorithm itself, and I have just call it. right? No, overridden. So let's override it then. Okay, we can have pragma ones. Main. Since it's saying that we cannot have object of our abstract class, so in that case, I can have another class, or we can make some changes. But I don't see any requirement as such. Okay, so what I can do, they're not allowing me to make object of a abstract class, so we can have this pointer, and can call we can call start. Okay, let's see. Acha, before that, I can include. I mean, I have pragma once, then fine. Okay, so it's showing that the calling start. Since I have used pointer, that's why it's not able to get this start. Okay, so cool, but uh, I can do one more way. Okay, then otherwise it's fine actually. So yeah, basically I'm trying to show the implementation. So this is one of the implementation of template design pattern. So yeah, see you next time.